A motion to quash. Sounds fancy and legal, right? But this phrase isn't just courtroom drama. It has a very specific purpose. In legal terms, it's a formal request asking a court to cancel, reject, or dismiss something, like a subpoena or a charge.
Filed a motion to quash the subpoena.
Motion to quash the indictment is denied.
Mostly used in law or legal discussions. You'd hear it from lawyers, in court documents, or legal TV shows.
Mr. Garage, I'm denying your motions to quash all the charges against Dr. Kevorkian.
And here are 2 example sentences using this legal expression. Number 1, the defense filed a motion to quash the arrest warrant. Here's number 2. Our lawyer plans to submit a motion to quash the subpoena. Sure, it's a bit of legal jargon, but knowing terms like this can make legal dramas a whole lot juicier. Keep watching, because tomorrow's word could take us far from the courtroom.